Yan, may dumating kami na parcel. What is that, be?
For you.
It's eyebrow.
Eyebrow?
Yeah. See?
Eyebrow.
Palit na mo guys. Tag 70 pesos lang ni guys. It's eyebrow. Wild for work eyebrow pen. Yan. Eyebrow pen siya.
Nato be.
Nay, naman kamot. Uy. Eyebrow pen. Yan. It's my eyebrow pen. Para natay clients. Mugwapa ta.
Basta kami guys. Nara.
It's eyebrow pen. Na siya brush. Ay, na siya sariling brush. Gunit be. Ako be. Dili. Wala siya. Eyebrow pen. Brush siya. Brush up one. Dili sa kilay. Dili.
Try.
No. Thank you. Palitan mo. 70 pesos only.
Bye-bye.